The guy is sharing his secret to longevity.
If you eat properly, get your rest.
Bernando LaPallo of Mesa was born in 1901.
They had no automobiles. They had no airplanes. I saw them all come about.
Bernando tells me he's never been sick a day in his life. He walks every morning and eats mostly organic fruits and veggies.
People ask me, what do you do to stay so young? I say, well...
The average American now carries 23 extra pounds.
Heart disease and stroke will claim the lives of 460,000 American women.
Prostate cancer is now the most common cancer in American men.
Diabetes. Life-threatening diabetes.
Clearly, the Western diet is taking a toll. This should serve as a wake-up call. We have a growing problem, and the ones who are growing are us.
You are what you eat.
In our previous video, we introduced you to the remarkable Bernando LaPallo, an extraordinary 114-year-old man who proudly claimed never to have experienced a single day of sickness in his entire life. We talked about the top 5 foods and daily routines that contributed to his longevity. However, in this video, we are delving even deeper, uncovering additional secrets that allowed him to reach the impressive age of 114. Also, we'll be revealing the specific preparations of the foods that played a crucial role in his remarkable journey toward a long and healthy life. So, if you want to live a very long and healthy life just like Mr. LaPallo, then trust me, you wouldn't want to miss out on watching this captivating video. Bernando LaPallo Top Foods. Bernando always prepared his food in a very unique way, and this is what made his meals special and enabled him to live a very long, healthy life. Now, let us look at how he prepared these foods he called the longevity foods. Garlic paste.
Hi everyone, this is the voice of Bernando LaPallo's granddaughter, and today I wanted to take a moment to show you how to make garlic paste.
Bernando has a tried and true method of crafting his garlic paste. It starts with peeling fresh garlic and combining it with extra virgin cold-pressed oil. Taking an 11-ounce jar, he fills it with as many garlic cloves as possible before adding the oil. Giving the mixture a good shake, he transfers it to a KitchenAid blender, blending until it reaches a fine, smooth texture. Once the garlic paste is ready, Bernando likes to incorporate it into his favorite smoothie recipe. He spoons some paste into a smoothie made with blueberries and bananas. He adds some fresh parsley to balance the flavors and minimize the garlic taste. According to Bernando's granddaughter, this special blend was her grandfather's favorite food due to its numerous health benefits. It's believed to be antiviral, rich in vitamin C, effective in preventing flu and colds, and even helpful managing arthritic conditions. For optimal results, Bernando advises maintaining consistency in its consumption, ensuring its full effectiveness within the body system. Blueberries.
I love blueberries. This is my key, number one. Blueberries. I buy them by the case. And I've been eating them as long as I can remember. When I found out that they were very good for you, I still eat them. And this is part of my diet on a daily basis.
Bernando had a profound affection for another food that he believed played a significant role in keeping him robust and healthy, even at the impressive age of over 100 years old: blueberries. In an interview, he openly expressed his fondness for these berries. "I love blueberries. They are my top priority when it comes to food. I have been enjoying them for as long as I can recall, and I started incorporating them into my diet once I learned about their exceptional health benefits. Till this day, they remain part of my diet daily." Fresh green salad.
Now I'm going to introduce mixed green salad to you.
The third food that greatly contributed to Bernando's exceptionally long and healthy life, defying what many consider impossible, is invigorating fresh green salad. To create this nourishing dish, he begins by cutting escarole into small pieces, cherishing its roughage benefits for the body. Speaking about the benefits of escarole, Mr. Bernando said, "I don't care much about iceberg lettuce. Escarole is the most healthy that I find, and my reading tells me the escarole is much better. So I've been using this all my life, and I'll continue to use it." When it comes to why he loves the salad so much, he said, "Salad is very important. It helps the colon very much because it's all roughage. Roughage is what the colon needs at all times." Next, he includes onions, saying, "It's very tasty and very good for the blood pressure and prevention of diabetes." Green peppers make their way into the mix, followed by the addition of scallions, a type of onion with similar health benefits but a distinct color. Bernando then incorporates beans, chopped carrots, and avocado. enhancing the salad's nutritional profile. A drizzle of olive oil and vinegar adds the perfect finishing touch. He carefully tosses the mixture with all the ingredients combined before serving himself a delightful portion on a plate. This fresh green salad was crucial in sustaining his vitality and well-being. Fresh fruit salad.
Well, this is a fresh fruit salad. Very simple.
Bernando loved his fruits, and he always combined them to make a fresh fruit salad, which he recommends for anyone seeking to live a long life full of vitality and immense energy. He starts by cutting oranges and then squeezing the juice from them. When cutting the apple, he says, "Don't peel it because all the nutrients are in the skin." After cutting up the apples, he adds some diced pineapples, avocados, and berries, then mixes them together and dishes out some for his lunch. Barley soup.
Barley soup. Barley is only a combination of barley and vegetables. And if you follow the instructions, I'm sure that you'll enjoy it, and it's healthy for you.
The nourishing barley soup was incorporated into his diet routine, which Bernando believed to be highly beneficial for the body. To prepare this wholesome dish, Bernando says, onions is the #1 ingredient because onions and garlic are the base, and it should be brothers and sisters instead of cousins as far as seasoning is concerned. He starts by cutting onions, garlic, carrot, celery, and green peppers. Next, he adds chicken or beef stock and lets it cook lightly. Then, he introduces the pre-soaked barley and various vegetables to the mix, carefully combining the flavors. Once the ingredients have melded together, he indulges in a comforting bowl of this hearty, delicious barley soup. Water.
Hello, everyone. This is the voice of Bernando LaPallo's granddaughter, and today, importance of boiling water and the importance of water in general.
Bernando's approach to what he consumed was marked by strict discipline, and this principle also extended to his water intake. Before drinking any water, he diligently boiled it in a 3-minute cooking pot. This practice served to eliminate pathogens, bacteria, and any other potentially harmful elements that could be present in the water. He acquired this habit from his father, who lived into his 90s. Bernando's father shared with his son that boiling water was one of the habits that contributed to his long and healthy life. Heeding this wisdom, Bernando embraced the practice of boiling water before consumption. Once boiled, he patiently allowed the water to cool to room temperature before drinking. Cacao. Bernando indulged daily in cacao due to its remarkable health advantages, which are particularly beneficial to aging individuals. Its incredible benefits include inflammation reduction, improved blood flow, lower blood pressure, and decreased cholesterol levels. Additionally, LaPallo's granddaughter revealed another motive behind his daily consumption of raw, unprocessed cacao.
What we're going to talk about today in the context of magnesium cacao. He just said to me, magnesium keeps the color in your hair, because people were always amazed that his hair wasn't gray.
The precious ingredient played a significant role in keeping him mentally sharp, energized, and alleviated feelings of tiredness and fatigue. Health benefits of cacao include decreased inflammation, improved heart and brain health, blood sugar and weight control, and healthy teeth and skin. Foods he didn't eat. Bernando was exceptionally disciplined about his dietary choices, avoiding certain foods as if they were a plague. Among these foods were chicken, turkey, and eggs. He also steered clear of cow's milk, believing the antibiotics used in its processing could harm his health. Soy milk was not on his list either. For those seeking lactose-free alternatives, he recommended almond milk or coconut milk. Unlike following a strict calorie restriction diet, Bernando practiced moderation and did not overindulge his eating habits. His healthy lifestyle habits. Bernando's remarkable longevity and vibrant health were a testament to the profound impact of his father's influence on his lifestyle habits. From his early years, Bernando's father played a crucial role in shaping his daily routines and instilling valuable health practices that he followed throughout his life. Reflecting on his journey, Bernando acknowledged that his father's teachings and faith in God were the foundation of his enduring well-being. One of the earliest lessons imparted by his father was the importance of foot care. Returning home, Bernando's father advised him to soak his feet in water, ensuring they remained refreshed and rejuvenated. Drying his feet gently with a clean towel and applying olive oil, this simple but effective practice became an essential ritual for Bernando. As he aged, this practice became increasingly significant in maintaining his feet and skin softness and youthful appearance. Each morning, Bernando would start his day with a refreshing walk, connecting with nature and setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Upon returning from his walk, he drank a cup of cinnamon tea, which provided various health benefits and a soothing start to his morning. Following this, he would have some peanut butter and honey, providing him with an energy-boosting breakfast. Books became a vital aspect of Bernando's life, and he made it a habit to immerse himself in reading regularly. For the most part of his life, the Bible became his primary source of inspiration, guiding him toward leading a life of virtue and righteousness. This practice instilled a sense of purpose and fulfillment, which further motivated him to adopt a cleaner and more healthy lifestyle. Bernando's approach to life revolved around the principle of moderation. He believed in striking a balance in all aspects of his life, be it his diet, physical activities, or even emotional well-being. Embracing this philosophy, he ensured that he neither overindulged or deprived himself of any essential experiences. This moderation allowed him to experience the joys of life while safeguarding his health for the long term. As people continue to be inspired by Bernando's incredible story, they are reminded of the potential impact of lifestyle choices and the significance of adopting habits rooted in balance, self-care, and purpose. His legacy encourages individuals to seek wisdom from those who came before, remain steadfast in their beliefs, and embark on a journey of health and happiness that transcends time. Through Bernando's life, the world learned that age can be a testament to a life well lived, and that the influence of family and faith can shape an individual's destiny in extraordinary ways.